Good morning and happy Tuesday to you, my friends. So, if everyone can please stand up and remember that left is green and right is red. And which hand goes over your heart? Right hand facing the flag. And let's begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All righty, my friends, let's go ahead and get into our recitation for the month. Remember, the very first thing is the title and the author. The Swing by Robert Louis Stevenson. How do you like to go up in the swing, up in the air so blue? Oh, I do think it is the pleasantest thing ever a child can do. Up in the air and over the wall, till I can see so wide. River and trees and cattle and all, over the countryside. Till I look down on the garden green, down on the roof so brown. Up in the air I go flying again, up in the air and down. And don't forget to take your bow. All righty, my friends, it is now time for morning meeting. Let's see, first things first, we have to figure out who our student of the day will be. So we know that yesterday our student of the day was Jacob. So let's see who today's student of the day will be. Today's student of the day is Gwen Ochoa. Come on down, Gwen. So if Gwen were here, the very first thing Gwen would do is turn the clock to morning. And then, of course, Gwen would write her first and last name. But because Gwen isn't here, Mrs. Haro will go ahead and do that for her. Okay. I'm going to write Gwen Ochoa. All right. And then Mrs. Haro would give Gwen her student of the day sticker. Give her a pointer and say, all righty, young lady, you are on. And Gwen would say, this here thing is called a calendar. And this here is called a month. And what month are we in? April. And this here is called the year. And what year are we in? 2021. Now, friends, if yesterday was Monday, then that means that today is Tuesday. But let's just double check. We have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And how many days are in a week? 7 days in a week. And friends, it looks like we have a number day missing. Let's go ahead and count to see what it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, before we put the number 6, let's go ahead and do our A, B, C, D pattern. Rectangle, square, parallelogram, hexagon, rectangle, square. Very good. So here is our number 6. And then let's go ahead and help Gwen with the letters in the month of April, beginning with capital A, P, R, Danilian I, and Danilian L. April. And of course, we're going to finger space. And what digit are we writing today? A 6, followed by a comma. Is a comma a number? No, sillies, it is a space. And then please help me with the digits in the year. 2, 0, 2, and 1. All right, so let's go ahead and read today's date with Gwen. Today's date is Tuesday, April 6th, 2021. Now, friends, if yesterday we were here 144 days, what would today be? Oh, sorry, if yesterday was 143 days, what would today be? 144. All right, so let's go ahead and draw out our great big bundle of 100s, followed by Mr. 10. So here we have 100, 110, 120, 130, 140. Now Mrs. 1's 141, 142, whoa, 143, and finally 144. Now let's go ahead and graph this on our days in school graph. Oh my goodness, Mrs. Harlow has butterfingers this morning. That means, that's an expression that means I'm dropping everything. Yeah. So friends, really, really quickly, in our days in school graph, we're going to write a 1 in our 100s column. And then what about in our Mr. 10's column? Well, let's see what we have here. We have 4. And then in Mrs. 1's column, we have Mrs. 1's column, 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right, so we're going to write a 4 in Mrs. 1's column. Now, friends, let's look to see if our days in school tag matches. Do we have one great big bundle of 100s? Do we have 4 Mr. 10s? Do we have 4 Mrs. 1s? So how many days have we been in school? 144. Wow, that sure is a whole lot of days, my friends. All right, it is now time for coin cup, coin cup, coin cup. And of course, in our coin cup, we have some coins. First coin we have is the nickel, and a nickel is worth 5 cents. And when we count nickels, we count those by 5s. And the second coin we have is the and a penny is worth 1 cent. So let's go ahead and start off with our nickels. When I switch coins, I will hold up the penny. All right, so here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 41. 41 cents. So let's go ahead and write 41 cents in our coin cup. 41 cents. Perfect. All right, friends, it is now time for mystery bag. Dun, dun, dun. So please go ahead and turn on your morning brains and listen to my clues. So friends, today in my mystery bag, I first placed 6 yellow linking cubes. So I want you to picture that in your mind. 6 yellow linking cubes. Then I put 5 green linking cubes in my mystery bag. I want to know how many more yellows than green linking cubes are in my bag. So listen again. Today, in my mystery bag, I first placed 6 yellow linking cubes. Picture that. I then placed 5 green linking cubes. I want to know how many more yellow than greens are in my mystery bag. So Gwen, what do you think? How many more yellows than greens? What do you think, Gwen? Gwen says 1 more. Let's look. So let's see. Let's count them just to be sure. Let's count by 2s, friends. Okay. 2, 4, 6. So here's my 6. And then 2, 4, 5. All right, so let's compare them. So let's look here. These two have a pair, 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 pair. No pair. So how many more yellows than green? 1. Great job, Gwen. Let's give Gwen a round of applause. Ding, 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 ding. Excellent, my friend. All right, let's go ahead and do our number line. All right, starting with 5s. 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Evens. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Let's go ahead and do odd numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21. Tens. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. And let's go ahead and count by 100s. 0, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000. Very, very good. All right, friends, let's look at really quickly. Let's look at our digital clock. Digital clock reads 11 o'clock. Analog clock reads 8 o'clock or 8:30. Red hand is the hour hand, blue hand is the minute hand. We need to match our digital. So first things first, we have to locate 11 o'clock. Okay, so there's 11 o'clock right there. So now I want you to pay attention to the hour hand to see what is happening as the minute hand goes around to 11:30. Look what happened. Yep, the hour hand moved. It is now between what two numbers? 11 and 12. Analog clock reads 11:30. Digital clock reads 11:30 or 11:30. Great job, my friends. All right, let's go ahead and look at our hundredths chart. All right, and we're going to count today. Let's do 8s. So here we go. 8, 18, 28, 38, 48, 58, 68, 78, 88, 98. Great job, my friends. And remember, don't forget when we meet this morning, bring your letters for systematic phonics. All right, we'll see you guys in just a bit.